So this one we're going to call back entrance, which means the back staircase. It's going to be a staircase in the back of the house that goes in a door and immediately goes downstairs. The floor plan of this is a ranch. You're going to have anywhere from a 2-1 to a potential 3-2 upstairs on the main level. This one we're in is a 3-1, pretty dated, but yeah, this floor plan is pretty common in multiple different varieties all over town. Decent little kitchen setup. Again, variety as far as what size it is and how it's laid out, but you'll have that. But then the piece we're always looking for is over here. So you're going to have this back door. Some of these, my most preferred model is the back doors here, and you also have a sliding door right here. So you actually have two entrances completely private from each other. You can separate them a little bit in the back. But with this one, it's just a single back door. If you ever wanted to add one here, it could be done because there's already a window. So that's something a contractor can come through and do for you. With this, the tenant will go around the back. Whoever's in the basement will go around the back of the house and come in this door, and then they'll immediately come downstairs. So then down here in the basement, obviously you're going to come down the stairs. In these, a lot of times it's going to be a big kind of back space. That's just one big open living room. As you can see in this one, they have a interesting bar. With these, usually kitchen's going to be somewhere in this space. If it's not in there, there's another room, usually tucked in the back. In a lot of these, there's a laundry room right in here. And so you'd come in here, the kitchen would be filling out this space next to the stairs, and it's pretty easy setup to do in here. We end up with like a nice big unit. Obviously it's dark in this one. Might be hard to tell in the video. The lighting is quality, but putting in some windows, updating some lighting down here. It's actually a nice big apartment. Like, I'm on the other side of the living room from you, and I'm, what, 25, 30 feet away? So like, it's a big apartment when it's finally set up. Ceiling heights are decent. If I can touch the ceiling like this and not show off my belly too much, we're looking at 7.5 feet, so really not too bad of a setup. And so this is kind of what we would say is, like I said, the standard back door entrance coming down, multiple different bedroom layouts, but it's one that's very easily converted and a simple thing to do.